DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in the field of land surveying. They use Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) technology to accurately determine the positions of various points on the Earth's surface. In the region of Jaewar, Noida, DGPS surveyors are in high demand due to the rapid development and urbanization taking place in the area. These surveyors utilize their expertise and advanced equipment to provide accurate and reliable data for various construction and infrastructure projects. The use of DGPS technology allows surveyors to achieve high levels of accuracy in their measurements. DGPS receivers receive signals from multiple satellites and a reference station, which helps correct errors caused by atmospheric conditions. This ensures that the positions determined by DGPS surveyors are highly precise and can be relied upon for various applications, such as property boundary surveys, topographic mapping, and construction layout. In Jaewar, Noida, where there is significant growth in real estate and infrastructure projects, DGPS surveyors are essential for ensuring proper land management and planning. They help in determining property boundaries accurately, which is crucial for avoiding disputes and legal issues in the future. Additionally, DGPS surveyors assist in site selection for new construction projects and provide essential data for designing roads, drainage systems, and utility networks. The demand for DGPS surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, is also driven by the need for precise mapping of the existing infrastructure. As the region undergoes rapid development, it becomes necessary to update and maintain accurate records of the existing roads, buildings, and other structures. This information is invaluable for urban planning, disaster management, and infrastructure maintenance purposes. SCON design is another important aspect that DGPS surveyors in Jaewar, Noida, are involved in. Surveyors are essential in the land surveying industry. The positions of various sites on the surface of the Earth are precisely determined by them using Differential Global Positioning System (DGPS) technology. Due to the area's rapid expansion and urbanization, DGPS surveyors are highly sought for in the Jaewar, Noida area. These surveyors use their knowledge and cutting-edge tools to deliver precise and trustworthy data for various infrastructure and building projects. Surveyors can take measurements that are extremely accurate because to DGPS technology, the various satellite signals that DGPS receivers receive, along with a reference station, help to correct mistakes brought on by atmospheric circumstances. As a result, the DGPS surveyors' positions are quite precise and can be. SCON stands for Survey Control Network, which refers to a network of reference points established by surveyors to provide accurate positioning data. These reference points serve as a foundation for all subsequent surveys conducted in the area. The establishment and maintenance of a reliable SCON design require the expertise of DGPS surveyors who can accurately determine coordinates and heights for each control point. In conclusion, DGPS surveyors in Jaewar